Hello students. In the previous lectures, we have discussed about equations of motion and some of the numericals, important numericals that are based on equations of motion. Fine. Today, we are going to discuss the last topic of this chapter, that is uniform circular motion. Now, let us discuss first what is circular motion. Now, what is circular motion? Suppose an object is revolving around a fixed point in a circular path. Means, suppose you have an object A, fine, it is moving in a circular path around this fixed point, fine. So, the motion of this object A is called circular motion. Means, if an object, circular motion is motion of an object in circular path around a fixed point. Clear? So A is the object which is moving in a circular path around this fixed point. So the motion is known as circular motion. For example, if you talk about revolving electron around nucleus, second, revolving moon around earth, blades of a fan, fine. So these all are the examples of circular motion. Clear? Now let us discuss what is uniform circular motion. What is uniform circular motion? Now what is uniform circular motion? If the object is moving in circular motion, means circular motion, and it is moving with constant speed, means the speed of the body is not changing, or you can say the motion of an object in the circular path around a fixed point with constant speed is known as uniform circular motion. Clear? Now the concept is the revolution period. Now what is the revolution period? Revolution period, it is a time denoted by capital T. So time taken by the object to complete one revolution of this circular path, that is known as the revolution period. Fine. Now we know that the circumference of this circle is 2 pi r, where r is the radius of the circle. Clear? We know that speed is equals to distance upon time, or you can say time is equals to distance upon speed. So the distance in the case of circular motion, which is a circle, means circumference of the circle, that is 2 pi r, where r is the radius of the circle, and suppose the speed of the object in moving this circular path is v. So it becomes t is equals to 2 pi r upon v. So the revolution period is 2 pi r upon v. Clear? Now one of the most important question in this is uniform circular motion accelerated. We know that in uniform circular motion, the speed of the object is constant. Even then, at every point of this circle, the direction of the body changes. Even the speed is constant, but the velocity changes, because velocity is a vector quantity which includes direction. Clear? So velocity is a vector quantity which includes direction. Now in the circular path, at every point of the circle, the direction of the body changes. So if the direction changes, means velocity changes. Now the acceleration is change in velocity upon time. Now if the velocity changes, then acceleration is there. So we can say a uniform circular motion is accelerated because the velocity changes at every point of the circle. So there is an acceleration. Clear? Now let us discuss some of the differences between uniform linear motion and uniform circular motion. Clear? Now let's start with the first point. In this case, the object will move in a straight line. Means the object has straight line path. Fine. But in this, the object moves in circular path. So the first difference is, in the case of uniform linear motion, the object will move in straight line path, and in uniform circular motion, the object will move in circular path. Clear? Second is the direction of the object. Second point is the direction of object does not change. Clear? In this case, the direction of the body does not change. But in uniform circular motion, direction changes. Means in circular path, at every point of the circle, the direction of the body changes. Clear? Third, the body has constant speed and velocity. Means in straight line path, the body has constant speed and constant velocity because the direction is not changing. So there is no acceleration in this. Clear? But in uniform circular motion, direction changes, so velocity changes, so acceleration will be there. So there is net acceleration in the case of uniform circular motion, but in the case of uniform linear motion, there is no acceleration. Clear? These are some differences between uniform linear motion and uniform circular motion. Thank you.